Brinks, a trusted name in security since 1859. With Brinks Deadbolts, you can feel secure knowing your family and valuables are safe. The Brinks Digital Deadbolt offers the convenience of keyless entry. Installation is simple. In just a few minutes, you can easily improve the appearance of your home, make it more secure, and add the convenience of keyless entry. Note: work with the door open until the lock is installed and tested to avoid an accidental lockout. Before installation, you may need to adjust the latch backset. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole on the face of the door. This is called the backset. If the distance is 2 3/8 inches, you can use the latch out of the box as the latch is preset at 2 3/8 inches. On doors that have 2 3/4 inch backset, you can simply adjust the latch by twisting it into position as shown. Replace your existing strike on the door jamb with the one included in the box. You may need to chisel out more material if the old strike is smaller than the new strike. Insert the latch into the hole on the edge of the door. Make sure it is in the upright position as indicated on the latch body. Use a Phillips screwdriver and 2 screws to install the latch. Insert the keypad assembly from the exterior side of the door. First, thread the cable through the door underneath the latch. Next, with the latch bolt retracted, insert the tail piece horizontally into the latch. Place the mounting plate on the interior side of the door, threading the cable through the slot on the mounting plate. Insert the 2 mounting plate screws and begin to fasten. Be sure the mounting plate and the keypad assembly are straight, then securely tighten the screws. Before installing the receiver assembly, determine if the lock is on a right-handed or left-handed door. When facing the exterior of the door, if the hinges are on the right, then it's a right-handed door. If the hinges are on the left, then it's a left-handed door. For right-handed doors, turn the turnpiece of the receiver assembly counterclockwise to the left. For left-handed doors, turn the turnpiece of the receiver assembly clockwise to the right. Remove the battery cover of the receiver assembly by first pushing it up until the tabs on the cover are aligned with the slots in the receiver assembly. Then, pull the cover off. Connect the exterior wire to the interior wire by aligning the red marks and pushing them together. Then insert the tail piece into the slot of the receiver assembly and snap the assembly over the mounting plate. Test the operation by rotating the turnpiece back and forth. The bolt should extend and retract freely. Note: if the bolt does not extend, recheck the handing of the door. Tighten the receiver assembly with the 3 receiver screws, as shown. To confirm the bolt goes into the strike plate, from the inside, close the door and rotate the turnpiece to extend the bolt. If not aligned, you'll need to adjust the position of the strike plate. Insert 4 AA batteries using the diagram in the battery compartment, then replace the battery cover. Important: when first installing the lock or after restoring the lock to its default settings, you must allow the lock to detect the handing of the door before you can program it. Enter 0000, then push the Brinks button. The button will flash orange. Push 0, and the Brinks button will flash orange again. Push the Brinks button to confirm. The deadbolt will automatically go through a handing process. Once completed, you will hear 2 beeps and the Brinks button will flash green twice. Note: if you push the buttons too quickly, the lock may not accept the program. With the door open, practice the operation of your deadbolt. To lock, press the Brinks button. You will hear 1 beep and the Brinks button will flash green, confirming the bolt is extended. To unlock, enter the default user code 1234, then press the Brinks button. Programming your digital deadbolt. Note: it is highly recommended to change the default programming code and the default user code. To change the programming code, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter 0000, then press the Brinks button. The button will flash orange. Press 4, and the Brinks button will flash orange again. Push the Brinks button and enter your new programming code. It can be 4 to 10 digits. Once entered, the Brinks button will flash orange again. then press the Brinks button to confirm. 2 long beeps will sound and the Brinks button will flash green twice, letting you know you successfully changed the code. To add a new user code, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter your new programming code and press the Brinks button. The button will flash orange. Press 1 and the Brinks button will flash orange again. Push the Brinks button and enter the new user code. It can be 4 to 10 digits. Once entered, the Brinks button will flash orange again. Press the Brinks button to confirm. 2 long beeps will sound and the Brinks button will flash green, letting you know you successfully updated the code. With the deadbolt extended, test the new code by entering the numbers and push the Brinks button. The bolt will retract. You can program the deadbolt with up to 6 different user codes. To delete an existing user code with the deadbolt unlocked, enter your programming code and press the Brinks button. The button will flash orange. Press 2 and the Brinks button will flash orange again. Push the Brinks button and enter the user code to be deleted. Once entered, the Brinks button will flash orange, then press the Brinks button to confirm. 2 beeps will sound and the Brinks button will flash green, letting you know you successfully deleted the code. To confirm the code was deleted, with the bolt extended, enter the code and press the Brinks button. You'll hear 3 beeps and the Brinks button will flash red and the bolt will not retract. Additional features. To delete all user codes at once, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter the programming code and press the Brinks button. Once the button flashes orange, press 3 and then press the Brinks button. All user codes have been deleted. Note: a new user code must be entered before the deadbolt will operate electronically. To temporarily disable all user codes, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter the programming code and press the Brinks button. Once the button flashes orange, press 8 and then press the Brinks button. All user codes have been disabled. Simply enter the programming sequence again to re-enable all the user codes. Note: the deadbolt will not operate electronically while the user codes are disabled. To create a one-time user code, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter your programming code and press the Brinks button. The button will flash orange. Press 9 and the Brinks button will flash orange again. Push the Brinks button and enter the one-time user code. It can be 4 to 10 digits. Once entered, the Brinks button will flash orange again. Press the Brinks button to confirm. This code does not take one of the 6 memory locations for user codes. Once this code is used, it will be automatically deleted. You can set the deadbolt to automatically lock after a certain period of time. To turn this feature on, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter the programming code and press the Brinks button. Once the button flashes orange, press 5 and then press the Brinks button again. The default time delay is 30 seconds. Test this function by retracting the bolt and waiting 30 seconds until the lock extends the bolt automatically. To turn the auto lock off, simply enter the programming sequence again. You can change the auto lock delay time between 10 and 99 seconds. To change the delay time, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter your programming code and press the Brinks button. The button will flash orange. Press 6 and press the Brinks button again. Then enter a number between 10 and 99. Once entered, the Brinks button will flash orange again. Press the Brinks button to confirm. 2 beeps will sound and the Brinks button will flash green, letting you know you successfully changed the time. Note: entering a new time delay does not automatically turn on the auto lock function. Be sure you turn on the auto lock function as previously shown to use this feature. To mute the deadbolt, with the deadbolt unlocked, enter the programming code and press the Brinks button. Once the button flashes orange, press 7 and then press the Brinks button again. The LED lights will still give visual feedback when the sound is muted. To turn the sound back on, simply repeat the sequence. To restore the original settings of the deadbolt, remove the battery cover and locate the small hole labeled R as shown. Using a paperclip, press the R button for a few seconds until you hear 3 long beeps. The deadbolt is now reset. The programming code is the original 0000, and the only user code is 1234. Note: you must repeat the door handing detection function before doing any programming. Battery life. Under normal operation, the batteries will last about a year. If you hear 10 rapid beeps along with 10 red flashes after pressing the Brinks button, your batteries will soon need to be replaced. All settings are retained in the memory of the deadbolt when the batteries are removed and replaced. The deadbolt will still operate by key even if the batteries are not installed. It is recommended that you keep the quick reference table and the audio and visual feedback signals in your instruction booklet handy. In just a few easy steps, you have updated your home with the convenience of keyless entry by installing a beautiful, durable, and secure Brinks digital deadbolt.